everyone, and welcome to the Nalls Kids Club Craft of the Month. I'm Miss Laura, and I'm here with Morgan.
Hi.
And this month we are making spoon bugs. The kit this month includes a bag of plaster of Paris, plastic spoons, a plastic cup, a popsicle stick, an acrylic paint pot and brush, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, and mini jewel stickers. It also includes a matching game and a magnifying glass, so you can search for insects and bugs. In addition, you will need paper to cover your surface. You will need paper towel or wet wipes for your hands. You'll need a tablespoon measurer, a cup of water, scissors, and if you would like a pencil or a black permanent marker, and also glue. Okay, so the first step for this kit will be to cut your pipe cleaners. The pipe cleaners are going to be the legs of your bug.
Okay.
So here's a bug that is already finished. Okay, so that you can see. And how many legs does an insect have?
6.
6. So you're going to be creating 6 legs for your bug. Okay? So you're going to take your scissors and cut your pipe cleaner into 6 equal parts. And they don't have to be exactly equal because you can cut them once they're in the bug form and everything's dried. You can easily cut them to shape them. So you can just do your best to make them into the 6 parts. So you'll end up with 3 piles of 6 legs. Now the legs are optional, so I'll show you a bug with legs and without legs. The next step is to carefully break the handle off of the spoon. Now this is a little tricky, so adults should do this. The reason we take the handle off is that so when the plaster of Paris is drying, it stays level and it doesn't fall over. Okay, so again, you'll end up with 3 spoons so that you can make 3 bugs. Next, you're gonna take your bag of plaster of Paris. It's soft, let me feel. Okay, and kind of dusty. So this is going to get hard when you add water to it. So the ratio is 2 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're going to add the legs into the plaster of Paris while it is wet. Now, as you add them, you want to put it to the inside, more towards the inside of the spoon, not on the outside, so that as it dries, it'll dry around it. So you kind of put it like that. It might overflow a little, that's fine. That's why you have paper on your surface. So once you've done all 3 bugs, you put all the legs in all 3 bugs, you need to wait, and it'll dry in about 20 to 30 minutes, but to be safe, I would wait longer, probably overnight if you can, before you start taking the bug out of the spoon and decorating it. To remove the bug, you're gonna flip it over and tap. Morgan just finished decorating her bug. She has jewels on there. She's got her googly eyes, her legs, and she used blue and green. We would love to see pictures of how your bugs turn out. You can share on Facebook or Instagram. And thank you so much for joining us.